Anyways, like I've been visiting West Virginia all my life, but I've lived up here solid for 21 years. And yeah, you can still see the rain off in the distance. I don't know if it shows up on camera, and there's a little bit of a rainbow there, I believe. Yeah, the rainbow's going. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. Get up in the park, we can see it better, hopefully. Right here's where the scooter hits its top speed, 44. Of course, it's going downhill a little bit. I believe this wants to top out at 34. We might get a little more going down this hill.